If you've ever wanted to sign up for a free trial on platforms like Spotify, Netflix, or other subscription services without using your personal credit card, a virtual card is a great solution. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to get a free virtual credit card in 2025, step by step. We'll be using a platform called Two, which offers both physical and virtual cards in over 200 countries. It's designed to provide secure transactions while keeping your real card details private. To begin, you'll need to create an account. The process is straightforward, but it's important to enter accurate personal details because identity verification is required. The platform uses Jumio technology to authenticate your documents, so you'll be asked to upload a valid ID and complete verification. This step ensures your account is secure and compliant. Once your account is verified, the next step is funding your virtual card. Instead of linking a traditional bank card, you'll be adding funds using cryptocurrency, specifically USTD, on the BNB Smart Chain. Don't worry if you're new to this, you can purchase USTD through popular exchanges like Binance and then deposit it directly into your account. Just make sure to select the correct network and wallet address when transferring funds. Now you're ready to apply for your virtual card. The platform offers different options, but the Platinum card is highly recommended. It's versatile and works seamlessly with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal, making it very convenient for online use. Before your card is activated, you'll complete a quick face verification to match your identity documents and confirm your phone number for added security. Once approved, you can retrieve your virtual card number and CVV securely using a payment code. This allows you to immediately use your card for free trials and online purchases. And that's it. You now have a secure, free virtual credit card you can use for online trial subscriptions. Just remember, while it works great for free trials, you'll need to top up your balance if you plan to make ongoing purchases. So, whether you want to explore Spotify Premium, test Netflix, or try out any subscription risk-free, this method gives you a safe and reliable way to get started.